Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change address on Shein app. Easy tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are on Shein, and what we're gonna do from here is that we're gonna tap on the Me button on the bottom right of our screen. And once you're here, you wanna tap on the gear icon or the settings icon next on the top right of your screen. And then from here, we are gonna tap on the address book. And then from here, we will be able to see all the addresses that is set up here in our account. In my case, I only have one. So what you need to do here is that you would need to make that certain address a default. So if you have some addresses right here that you want to use most of the time, then you would want to set it as a default. So to make it a default is that you want to tap on that certain address right here. So for example, this one right here, and then you want to scroll all the way down until you see the make default option right here, and then you want to make sure that this is toggled on right there and hit save. And after that, you should be able to change your default address right here. And if you don't have that, then you can just add a new shipping address right here if you don't have the address that you would want to use in your list right there. And now that we're done with that, and let's say you want to change your address that you have ordered. So what you can do with that is that you can go here into my orders and tap on unpaid right here. So I have an order right here. As you can see, I have the edit address button right here. So this is only available if your product is still in the unpaid or processing phase of the delivery. So if it reaches the shipped one, then you wouldn't be able to edit the address anymore. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.